Hey there, happy Friday on Beach Avenue. Here I am in front of one of my favorite beds. On your right you can see some mondo grasses established over maybe 4 years, and there's tons of it, more than I need, and I'm constantly moving it to other locations. It's great stuff, expensive, but worth it. Behind that some geranium, and here is some New Guinea impatiens. But what I want to talk about today, and some fragrant alyssum to make a nice smell at the front entrance to this fancy building. But what I want to talk about today is lobelia. This is your standard garden variety lobelia that you can buy early in the spring, and it blooms all summer, very beautiful blue. But in November, finished. I've never seen it reseed itself in Vancouver and come back the next year. But they're cheap, like $4 for 6, and they go all summer, so it's fine. But this, on the other hand, is also lobelia. And this type of lobelia is amazing. I don't know how this red flower with a tall stem that comes back year after year, and this tiny little blue flower are the same family. So, if you know why these two are in the same family, please write to me. I'd love to know. And I'm too lazy to Google. I wouldn't know what to Google. But anyway, this is perennial, and it is deciduous. It dies back right to the ground over the winter, and then boom, you get a bigger show the next year. And I got 3 of them in this bed, and they're all doing great, but this is the best. Just coming. Great shade of red. Do you want to come in a little closer and take a look? Oh, let's go. Come on. I'll just grab you gently. Here we go. All right. So you can see the close-up flowers, how tall they are. I would say 24 inches. Okay. Herbaceous, perennial, lobelia. Till next time.